was a ghost, I was alone, with a gene, up cause again. Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I meant to be. I lived through life, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Got a problem child, cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Put up see on stage, I'm done hiding now.